In our experience, many homeowners don't know how to size, in other words, determine the ideal tankless water heater for their needs. And while that can mean poor performance for other brands, this video series helps solve that problem for Stiebel Eltron users. Unsurprisingly, we get a lot of questions about the electrical requirements of our units. Today's topic, and the variety in electrical requirements, highlights the importance of properly sizing your whole house electric tankless water heater. This video explains the concept and helps you choose your next model with confidence. While many Stiebel Eltron models modulate their electrical draw for the utmost efficiency, it's important that your circuit breaker is capable of providing maximum amperage if necessary. Sure, you can buy the largest model available, but if it goes well beyond your needs, why go to the expense of unnecessarily upgrading your electrical service? This is why a smaller model can make more sense for your home. And remember, our industry-exclusive advanced flow control technology ensures you never sacrifice your comfort, even with a smaller unit. These numbers represent the amps required to power the unit, not your total household service. Your household service, which is the amount of electricity that comes from the electrical lines into your home, must provide enough power to meet the specific needs of the unit. We recommend that a licensed electrician confirm your power supply is sufficient to serve the unit you intend on buying. This is a simple step that can save you potential cost and hassle. While most newer homes have at least 200 amp service or more, many older residential homes have 100 amp service. The Temper 24, our most popular whole house model, needs a minimum of 150 amp electric service to the house, so some older homes might require a power upgrade, especially if you plan on using multiple large appliances such as a washing machine or dishwasher at the same time. If more power is needed to operate the model of your choice, an electrician can provide the necessary adjustments. Electrical upgrades are not uncommon and can usually be completed in one day. And ultimately, you'll be enjoying exceptional water heating efficiency. As you hopefully know now, verifying that your home provides the electrical service needed to power your preferred Stiebel Eltron water heater is easy. Click here to see how you can choose a smaller tankless water heater without sacrificing your level of hot water comfort. Or check out our channel for more great videos on our energy-saving products.